Hi, hello. I beat Black Blizzard as a new artist, and honestly, it was quite the experience. Despite the level's popularity, the difficulty is actually really imbalanced in my opinion. The drop at 40% all the way up to the ending made up about 30% of the difficulty, and I only managed to die 21 times to it. That also means I only ever got 22 drop attempts, due to the infamous pre-drop of this level. Boy, was this the biggest mind block. I couldn't get to this gray section for multiple days. This entire beginning, all the way up to 25%, is definitely the majority of this level's difficulty, which includes this annoying click at 2% that I've died way too many times to. Anyways, if you intend to go for this level, proceed ahead. Just know the pre-drop might make you go crazy. Yes! Oh my god! Oh, wait, finally! Oh my god! Oh my god!